Happy 4th of July, everyone. As Americans all across the country celebrate Independence Day, it's worth taking time and just a moment to remember what made this country so unique in the first place. Nearly 250 years ago, our founders declared that our rights, they don't come from government. They come from an almighty creator. This simple truth has shaped our nation ever since, and it's still worth defending today. So as you enjoy the fireworks, the barbecue, the time with family and friends, I hope you'll also enjoy and take a moment to remember and thank God for the blessings of liberty and those who sacrificed to preserve them. From all of us at Texas Values, have a safe, joyful, and blessed Independence Day. God bless Texas, and God bless the United States of America.